So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card motherboard driver. So first you come to www.gigabyte.com and you can see here the search button and just enter the model number which is you require driver of. Okay, and then hit enter. Then click to product and you can see this is then click support. Select your operating system which is your required driver. So first this is audio driver, you just click to download, it will start for downloading. You can see here it start downloading. Take wait some time. So guys, it is completed. Just this is Realtek audio driver, this is completed. Then double click to open because this is totally extract. When you click to launch for firstly extracts to your system, then try to ready to install and then click to yes. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. Okay, this is installed and then close it.